Here we go. Are we getting deja vu here, boys? Have you noticed this little place here?
I believe this was where he yacked just here.
I believe, like, Jimmy, look at me, a bit of reminiscing. Blah, blah. But now I'm sober and ready for some fun. The boys are gonna cop it. Sad.
So where are you gonna fucking go? I'm fucking gonna just go there and open fire. You gotta get it on film.
Yeah, go Jimmy. Quick, the battery's about to run.
Go. Oi! Oh, there we go.
On the leg!
Oh, I'm not gonna shoot if you get me in the head.
Twins is on a massacre. Oh no! Oh, it's on! It's on! Oh, bum jab him! Bum jab him! Shove your cock right up his colon! Oh,
you broke it! Oh no!
Oh, it's still alive.
Shoot him, dog!
oh, and it went...
Shoot him! Oh, again! Nice, Jimmy.
Oh, that was nuts.
You were at that.
Let's get it on! Let's get it on!
How the tides have turned!
Oh yeah, I got him in the neck, eh?
You serious?
Yeah, you see him, Ralph? Yeah.
Get him, get him! Go again, go again, go again, son! Get him!
Fill it up. I'm going point blank range.
I'm going point blank. Go on.
Oh, come on. Go to the doorway.
Go, shit! It's on, baby! It's on! It's on!
Oh! Oh, go, no, no!
Are you out?